What, do you want to, I think she have a walking?
Yeah, the high top.
Catherine's right inside my room, is there a high top?
What?
So she has real shoes.
On a November night in Florida, a woman answers her own front door to $2,000 in stolen merchandise waiting on the other side. What follows isn't a struggle or a chase, it's an officer helping her pack a bag for jail, and that's what makes this one hard to watch.
Hello?
Hey, police department.
Hold on a second.
Alright, appreciate it.
Sorry.
Everything okay?
You can't worry about putting this on before you.
Oh, yeah.
And I don't want to go back to pull up.
Is she?
You
You have to frisk her or anything?
I mean, we're gonna have to search her before we put her in the car.
You want to go to the bathroom or no?
Yeah, you better go here, honey. So you're going all the way to Wheaton Jail.
Do you go to Downers Grove first or you go straight
Yeah,
there?
so we'll fingerprint her at our station, and then she's got to go out the county, and then you'll see a judge.
If you have to go to the bathroom, go here.
I went in the bucket.
Okay. Oh boy. Okay.
And
All right. You know they have to put you in handcuffs,
You
right?
left your room unlocked.
You know they have to put you in handcuffs, right?
Yeah, just for the short ride.
Maybe if you could turn around.
Oh, I got it.
Your hair's pretty colored today,
Any jewelry you'll probably want to leave here. So like your rings and your bracelets.
She has this Halloween ring.
Anything else you want to? I mean, you've got stuff in your pockets. They're just going to take it. We're going to be there at 9 in the morning or 8.
And these something.
Oh, you got stuff all in your coat pockets.
You can check your pockets up here, and anything you want to leave behind.
All right.
Don't you just put my stuff and give it to me back.
Yeah, if you have stuff, we'll
Do you have medicine?
It's in my bucket.
Yeah.
Did you already take it? Oh, you already took
You need
it?
something for the morning?
So, Joan, make sure you bring your medicine in case you need it. How often do you take it? Every so many hours? Okay, so in the morning.
We'll get a list. We'll write down.
Does she know?
Is comfortable?
I don't know. She goes to the hospital and they change stuff around and try to keep track of it.
I don't know what it is.
Do you need that?
We'll write it down for you.
Alright. See you tomorrow.
You got that stuff in the pockets?
I got stuff in my pocket.
We'll check for that.
You got a lot of stuff here.
It'll just go out to county with
Bandana?
you.
You want to just leave it here? No lighters or anything, right?
Oh, wait. You
Yeah, I
might
have a
It's
lighter.
like that we'll have to throw out.
You might have a lighter.
Oh, I have a lighter in this pocket, I think. The inner.
We
No,
can keep it here.
Grab it.
No, the inner.
Fill the flashlight.
My sunglasses. But there's a lighter in there.
Here?
Yeah, the gloves.
Do you want real shoes?
Anything in there's gonna poke?
Yeah, it's pretty cold out.
Do you want the high?
No, do you need your glasses or you can't have them? Or no?
She can have them.
Yeah, I need my
Her stuff's gonna go in a property bag, but just with her to get county.
Hey, can I have my sunglasses and my glasses?
Yes, you can.
Just want to make
whatever
sure
you
you don't
want.
have like
Then they can
smokes
take
or
it.
like medication you'd be good with till the morning. The jail can get you most medication.
Yeah, that's
With
fine.
that space?
Yeah.
There's like a
It's better than
little
trying to accidentally
blue
lose it.
lighter.
Nothing in here's gonna poke me?
Do you want the high touch you threw back in my room? What, do you want to, I think she have a walking.
Yeah, the high tops. Yeah.
Catherine, right inside my room, is there a high top?
High top what?
Gym shoes, so she has real shoes. She can wear real shoes in jail? No, she has to wear socks.
You know, for the overnighters, I think they usually do something.
Why don't you just wear what you got? You're gonna be inside the whole way.
Yeah,
Don't lose my papers, man.
I'm not.
Don't hope there's a lighter in there. Yeah, it's lighter right there.
But those are more comfortable. They're just gonna take them off you anyway. Do you have contacts on your eyes?
No.
Okay.
You have anything in here?
you have corrected vision in your pocket, right?
Just changing jewelry.
Oh. Cool, then.
Nothing in there gonna poke me?
Appreciate you working on that.
If it's just changed, that's fine.
It's just change.
I'll work.
Yeah, so it's a warrant for the domestic.
Give me this with you.
Yeah, I do.
What is it?
It's empty, isn't it?
No, what is it?
Just
Oh,
raisins.
it has raisins?
This is the bathroom. What was the number again?
Was this empty already?
Yeah, it broke out. It's my Avon chip breaks apart real easily.
But you guys do know, if you just call us, you're gonna come over and replace it.
So someone said they tried calling today. My partner from day shift who asked me to come out here said he tried giving you a call, Emily, and no answer.
I don't think she has a phone.
I don't have a working phone.
I'm not sure.
He
if
doesn't know where it is.
Called your phone. He just said he made some calls.
Is any of that stuff that you just pulled out anything important or not, Rob?
Go ahead, man. There's a roll change.
Oh,
Yeah, nothing we'd toss out. or
yeah,
anything.
Okay.
Do you want to keep
It's
it
just
with
like
you?
lighters
Yeah.
and smokes.
Yeah, they
Razor blades.
razors.
I know.
lighters.
So
can I
where
have my
lighter
little
is.
wallet though?
What's that?
That has like $11 just in case I have to walk. And can I get my high
Joe,
tops?
we're gonna be at your court date first thing in the morning.
We'll be out there and at the court.
She should see a judge probably right around 8:30 in the morning.
Oh, that's really good. Yes.
Yeah, especially being on a weekday.
Yeah. Should be a quick process.
Can you just give me my little wallet just in case?
You don't need it. We're gonna be there.
Okay, I know, but just in case when they let me out.
We're gonna be there.
I know.
In fact, I'm gonna be there at 6.
Yeah, but can I just have my little wallet with the money?
Yeah, we could just bring her wallet for her.
And can I have my high tops?
That's what he said.
My blue, my
High
white
tops?
white high tops.
Yeah. You want to wear both?
No, just bring them with. I'll just go like this. I don't want. Yeah.
You wanna
Just,
just bring them with?
yeah.
For
You want all the money? Or just like $10? I don't know. I'm gonna hold this for you.
Okay, just
and
put
bring
it in the
morning.
pocket.
You're not gonna be there by yourself.
I know.
trust
I
me.
know. I just if whatever.
Alright.
If it
All set?
doesn't, whatever.
I know. You're medicated. You're sleeping, but okay.
Appreciate you guys working on this.
Go give her
You're out of the
some.
place. I'm just ex-army. Sorry. Cold War.
Thanks for your service.
And my uncles
Bye, guys.
and my cousins are all SWAT and detectives. But normally, you know what happens if you go in the city anywhere at 10:30 at night. It ain't good.
No.
That's why I said, why would you guys come? It doesn't
I've
matter.
been trying to get here
I
since
know.
6.
All right. I get it.
Alright, appreciate you.
She's a
Thank
low
you.
priority.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Y'all have a good night, alright? We're gonna have you go in the black and white car.
Your step. Yeah, you can step right in. Watch your head. Go up.
No fight, no denial, no story to sell, just an officer walking her through what to leave behind. Her rings, her lighter, a small bag of raisins mistaken for something else, $11 in a wallet she keeps, asking to bring. She's told she'll see a judge by 8:30 the next morning, and she thanks the officers for their service on her way into the car. $2,000 in stolen goods got her here. But it's the quiet, ordinary kindness on the way out the door that stays with you. And if you'd been the one knocking, what would you have wanted someone to remember about you? Tell me in the comments.